Hi, this is Bill at williamfeaver.com. I wanted to tell you that this is the last day that you can participate in our Emerson promotion for free. But if you do, you've got up till midnight Central Time Mountain Time to participate and get 2 weeks, full weeks that include our funnel builder. It includes 10 Grow Rich inspirational calls Monday through Friday, 10 traffic and conversion mastermind video Zoom links on Monday through Friday, 2 Monday night marketing sharing masterminds, and you get to see test out our Sage product, which is our virtual chat tool. You will also be able to use Emerson, which is our artificial intelligence tool, which does amazing things. And then you will be able to talk to people on Telegram, which is our chat, and also on Facebook. And you can look all over our growing library of training courses. So if you're interested, just go to williamfeaver.com//Emerson to try it out. Thank you and have a great day.